Hey, you guys. We're going to find out what we need to know today. Some of you guys need to focus on your grounding. Like I've said before, for some of you guys, so you can feel more connected. And, if you're dealing with any aspect of fear, that is definitely going to help you with that. Yeah. So let's see. Let me get one card for my beautiful watchers. If you guys are interested in a personal coaching session, you guys can contact me. One card for my beautiful watchers, please. One card for my beautiful watchers. Okay, you guys got a few. You got incubation. You're going through a birthing process. So for those of you that have delivered babies, you guys know that this can be very painful for a lot of you guys. You are going through a major, Scorpio season is all about death and rebirth. And those things can be a little bit on the uncomfortable side, to say the least. So we have Lady Goddess, your feminine energy, your feminine wisdom, your wand, your intentions, your magic behind that, your chalice, your fulfillment. How are you tapping in with your emotions? How are you not overly giving and satisfying your own needs, your own, inner world? And then we have autumn. Okay, this is a pivotal time in your journey, and I believe I said that on some readings I did a couple of months back. So we're tapping into that divine goddess energy. We're tapping into that wisdom. Some of us may be feeling more loving or liberated. We are exuding this energy as well. This is how people are seeing us, but more so, this is how we're aligning with this energy, our feminine wisdom, talking different, receiving information differently, looking at the lens is more clear. It also could be a little red, the rose, what they say about the rose-colored lens. So are you looking at a situation and not being completely open and honest about it, or are you balancing the scales and seeing everything effectively? The goddess energy does that, okay? She's not going to see things beyond her wannabe perception. She's going to see things adequately and appropriately, okay? We're using our magic. For some of us, we're needing to use our magic. Our intentions need to be strongly understood. What do you truly want? Are you doing this to receive this benefit? Are you doing this? What is your ultimate, goal? Let's say that, okay? And making sure that you're fulfilled. This is very important. I'm repeating the messages, but I want you guys to understand this. How are you fulfilling yourself? Are you contemplating choices that's not for you anymore? Because you're so much in this loving energy, because your sensors or some type of sensors are being heightened for some of you guys, okay? See that Fool card at the bottom? Let's see, what do we need to know right now? Look, he ain't going anywhere. It's time for new direction for some of you guys. This is the time for the new direction. You see that? Didn't I say that Lovers card keep coming through? God is trying to tell you something now. Are you ready to receive it? So somebody's trying to come your way, possibly. That energy is here for a new situation. Are you fulfilling something or still holding on to something, trying to look for some type of karmic justice or some type of justice in general, when you should just be moving the fuck on? For some of you guys, but out of fear, you're holding on to something that is not for you anymore. It could be different. Some type of reunion, some type of getting back together with somebody. This is a lot of emotion. 10 of Cups keeps coming up. The 6 of Cups, the Lovers card keeps coming up. What are the messages that we need right now? What are the messages that we need right now? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see. The 3 of Cups. Then I say a lot of cups. This is emotional. For some of you got the Wheel of Fortune and the Page of Cups. And the 5 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. A lot of you guys are in. For some of you guys, it's not an emotional turmoil type of energy. It's just you're undecided with something. Okay, so for a lot of times when we heal, when we have come to a high point in our healing process, our healing journey, And we're in our divine feminine energy, okay? Our wisdom, this energy of unconditional love. We want to see the best in people. It's not even want to, we just automatically do it. We see the light in them, okay? There's some sadness regarding a situation, something possibly that you expected to happen, a new beginning, because that Ace of Wands is poking out. Could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. This Three of Cups is imagining. This is reminiscing for some of you guys, or even like manifesting. Maybe some of you guys have done that since you were children, where you imagine a circumstance, a scenario, or something in your life to go a certain way, and then you stay laser focused on it. Okay? But for some of you guys, this is where you're at, but then you're also open to this. It's like you're in dual worlds. It's not necessarily between the dark and the light, but you're just trying to figure some shit out for yourself right now. Okay, let's clarify this Three of Cups though. Three of Cups. This Three of Cups, yep, exactly. The anxiety and the stressors are here. You're also amplifying the stressors by just, it's not even a bad thing. This is not necessarily a bad energy y'all in. It's just that it may not be conducive to where you're going in your life to be this focused on something. Something is dead. The cups are spilled over. It's like crying over spilled milk. This could be you or somebody else. This is Three of Swords right here. A lot of pain, a lot of agony, a lot of going back and forth, a lot of healing up. This is a divine feminine who has in her to want to wake or heal this man. I don't care. Some of y'all have it really strongly in you where you want to heal somebody or help them out, or they want this from you. This is air energy, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, and Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Clarify this Four of Cups. Four of Cups, please. Four of Cups. You want your stability. You know it's there for you, but you're still focused on something. Four of Cups, please. Your love is just so great. I'm like, just so high and so. Four of Cups, please. We got the Moon card, more divine feminine energy. The Strength card. Y'all got three major arcanas. I just always like get so charged up when I see all of those major arcanas lined up. The Moon card, the Strength card, and the Star card. So we talking about Scorpio energy strong, Leo energy strong, or Aquarius. So this may or may not really penetrate the energy of if you're a Scorpio, if you're a Leo, or you're Aquarius, or you've had them placement strongly in your chart. Okay, but we're focused, right? Underneath it all, we're ready to take charge. We're ready to move forward. We're empowered. We're strengthened. We're even ready for some of you guys for the limelight. But at the end of the day, this is for some of you guys, this is what you're focused on, these three things. But if you're focused on anything else, you still have it in you to accomplish everything that's meant for you or that you have coming towards you, if that makes sense. The Moon card represents the divine feminine energy, that wisdom, listening to the moon. Like the moon is even making a face like, you sure you want this? Like, all right. And then the Leo energy strong is that strength energy, that powerhouse energy, if you will. The Star card is ready for the magic that is coming for you. Okay, you are ready for this for some of y'all. This is what you've been prepped for all of your life. This is what you've been prepping for since a lot of you guys have been on your spiritual journey for some of y'all. Hold on. Why can't I? Hold on, y'all. Sorry. All right. This is what you've been in for so long for some of you guys. Let's see what this Wheel of Fortune is. Wheel of Fortune. One card, please. One card for the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, we got the Queen of Cups. Self-nurturing, self-tending. Very much emotionally balanced. Like I said, it's a lot of cups. It's like nothing is even shaking up your world for some of you guys. And then you're moving into this energy of saying, I'm ready, I'm open. See how he's holding that cup over the water? I'm ready, I'm open. Remember these, if y'all been watching this Page of Cups and this Queen of Cups keeps coming out. This is emotional balance. It's that childlike energy with this Page energy, Page of Cups. I don't know why I was getting ready to say Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Sagittarius was getting ready to come out my mouth. So this Page of Cups, let me see, clarify this Page of Cups though. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Page of Cups, please. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Well, give me one card for this Page of Cups. I know my cards. Now just bear with me. Page of Cups. Okay, Page of Cups, Eight of Cups. Yep. It's that new direction with the World card at the bottom of the deck. We're moving on. We're letting something complete and close out. There's a new beginning behind this energy at all. The new beginning is there. Somebody sees the future. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. I can see all the obstacles in my... That's that energy. That's that energy. So somebody's vision is so clear, it's so crisp, it's so sharp. Even if they're holding on to something, you can hold somebody in your heart space. You see my heart? You can hold somebody in your heart space without holding on to them in a physical sense. You can love somebody without being in a connection with them, being in a relationship with them, being tied in with them. It's free will. It's free. Remember, you equate spirituality with freedom. Freedom is spirituality. It's not holding on to an individual idea, a belief system with all your mind. Because that's ego, babies. That's your root chakra that needs to be tapped into. Trust me on that. Y'all know I'm silly. This Page of Cups is letting go. It's healing. It's allowing this old emotional bull crap. And it doesn't have to be tied. Now, it could be. I'm telling you, there's so much water energy. I'm going to say that Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer is very much specified up in this piece today. But at the end of the day, this is you grasping and having a controlled type of energy when it comes to your emotions, right? You're not overspending yourself. Could be money, but there's no pentacles in here. But this is not, you're not overspending yourself when it comes to your emotions. You're saying what you need to say, you're doing what you need to do, and you're keeping it pushing. And you're accepting this. Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, and Scorpio energy up in this piece. Yes, Aquarius is very pivotal for some of you guys. Let's see. Is there any advice? Okay, so we got the Page of Wands card. It's been coming up too. The Page of Wands is fired. It's ready. I'm ready. I'm taking off. Ready, set, go. You know how they do when they doing the track and field. I used to watch track and field a lot, but that type of energy. We're moving towards that. We're fired up. Passions. Remember, we have the Wands with the intentions card. The Four of Pentacles. Grasping onto our finances. Also, something like there could be some type of idea, some type of new energy that's coming in, and it's going to put a heavy influx possibly, or this is what you're paving on, this is what you're rocking on, this is what you're moving towards when it comes to your money, okay? Fire energy, and this is the Pentacles energy. Finally, I just said I know Pentacles energy. The Knight of Cups. Relaxing, relating, release, and enjoying yourself for some of you guys. Maybe you need to do something fun or do something exciting. What is one more card of advice for my watchers, please? What is we choose? What do we need? What do we need? Okay, more water energy. It's definitely, some of you guys are definitely connected or attached to a water sign. Too strong, way too strong up in here to say you're not attached to. 1, 2, 3.
Love y'all guys.
4, 5, 6 cup cards. What is the messages that we need right now? One more advice card, please. I just saw the 9 of Cups. What is the card? Your heart is open to love. What you won't do for love. Yeah. You tried everything, but you won't give up. Okay? Some of you guys are hopeless romantics. That's what you are. Align with that. If you're a hopeless romantic, hopeless means you do not give up on someone. You do not, it doesn't matter. But you don't have to hold on to this person. The love that you have is going to increase in that person. They're going to be able to feel it in what's, Page of Swords. A lot of Pages energy. This could be energy of people wanting to come towards you. This is Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. Good job. What time is it? What time is it? Oh, 10:34. Yeah, Page of Swords. We're talking about being guarded. Eight of Wands is movement, communication, being in your head, possibly about talking to a King of Pentacles, somebody who is very structured, who is very dependable, very stable, very financially structured, possibly even has about 4 bank accounts. And you're probably moving towards this person because you have this peace. You have been waiting for this inner peace to kind of structure you before you're able to connect with this person or contact them. Okay? I love you guys. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be back. I'll be doing probably a couple of more of these videos, but we'll see. Peace. Yay!